So in terms of travel tips, I would say that some of my favorites are to get off the beaten path, follow your nose. A lot of times people are tied to a specific itinerary. There's 10 things they need to see when they're there. But if you smell an amazing bakery or you hear some music coming out of a pub, even though you might be on a bit of a tight schedule, try to make the time to get off the beaten path and see what that local treasure is. Oftentimes it can be what makes your trip. I have a few different travel tricks that I like to use, one of which is zip ties. Zip ties are extremely handy when you have a zipper break or shoelace break. They can sub in a hurry. They're also great if you have to gate check your bag. You can use them to close your bag, see if anybody got into it while you were apart from it. The other travel trick that I like to use is I bring a lot of magazines with me. They're great for reading on the plane, and then it frees up room in my luggage for stuff I might want to bring home. And then I always carry a collapsible little duffel bag that, just in case there happens to be a puffy jacket I find or something, that a neat blanket, I have that extra bag to check if I have to.